how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. Well, firstly, come on to shopify.com. After that, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Now from over here, simply put in your email address if you want to start their free trial. But if you already have Shopify, simply click on login. And once you guys do this, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. Once you guys have logged in, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to see. So now from over here on the left side, you guys can see all of these options. So simply click on apps from over here. And then after that from over here, simply click on the search bar and type in Aliexpress. If you guys don't see anything, simply click on recommended applications and click on Shopify App Store. Now once you guys click on this, now that's gonna take you guys over to another page. From over here, you guys are gonna see their store. Type in the search bar Aliexpress, and then after that you guys are gonna see Aliexpress Review Importer. Click on that, and then after that, that's gonna take you guys over to this particular page. So now from over here, simply pick the one that you wanna go with. So I'm gonna go with this one, which is the Aliexpress Review Importer, but you guys can choose whichever one you wanna go with depending upon their reviews. So I'm gonna go with this one, and over here you guys can see that you guys can simply import reviews from Aliexpress onto your Shopify store. So you guys can simply add this application by clicking on add app, and your reviews are gonna be imported. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you import reviews on Shopify from Aliexpress. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.